Hey, what's up, y'all? Domino here. All right. Like to welcome y'all to this vlog here and stuff like that. All right. So anyway, I want to talk about divorce court. Went through 4 judges in this kind of run. Okay, Judge Maybelline, Judge Lynn Toller, Judge Fate Jenkins, and now Judge Star Jones. I mean, 4 judges, 4 bailiffs. You know what I'm saying? You know something? I'm downstairs watching it right now. I mean, I cut it on there to see if there was gonna be a new bailiff. But guess what? Just as I expected, a new bailiff. I don't know the guy name yet. I'm not gonna ask what happened to Wine, cause Judge Fate leaving. He gonna go right behind her, as far as I know. Okay, I mean, I mean, I wanted the same bailiff to be there with Judge Starr, but that never mind that, some kind of pop up or notification or whatever. But anyway, as I was saying, y'all, I'm like, hmm. I mean, only one bailiff stood on divorce court with 2 judges. Joe, okay, bailiff Joe, or should I say Officer Joe, or something like that. I mean, he been there with 2 judges, you know what I'm saying? Judge Lynn Toller, well, first Judge Maybelline and Judge Toller, okay? Yeah, so, yeah, I sure miss Maybelline. Well, I can still watch on her own show and stuff like that. She have her own judge show, a court show, I meant to say, and a different bailiff. I mean, I didn't expect Joe to still be there. I mean, say to be there because Judge Maybelline came back. Joe was still on divorce court, as far as I know. Okay, yeah. So I mean, I still think of Maybelline every time I watch divorce court. Sometimes I watch it, sometimes I don't. Okay, you know. So it all started when I discovered Joe left a divorce court was when they changed the set, and I say to myself, don't tell me Joe left divorce court, and then I saw a different bailiff. You know, don't know if I like it or hate it or whatever. Okay, I just have a confused thought in my mind. You know, and then Judge Lentola left a divorce court, left the show, and then Judge Fate took the spot. I was expecting Nick to be there. To be honest with y'all, I mean, my word is this: it didn't make sense for Nick to be there to begin with. You know, if he was gonna be there for 2 seasons and stuff like that, I thought he was gonna be the next bailiff to stay on there with a new judge. But unfortunately for that part, Wine took over, and then just as I expected, another new bailiff. So to me, this is the second time in divorce court history from '99. I'm talking about this run, okay? That there's a new judge and a new bailiff at the same time. First it was Judge Fate and Wine, and now it's Judge Starr and I don't know this guy name yet. I don't know his name yet. Okay. So I mean, my word is this: Wine should have stood on there if that was gonna be the case, or Nick should have came back. You know. Well, never mind, Nick. Okay. So my word is this: I mean, wait a minute. Before anybody start commenting and stuff like that, I got nothing against Nick. You hear me? I got nothing against him. I mean, I never watched it much when he was there. I really didn't. I got nothing against Nick. So the way I think about it, I don't know if the producers fired him or what. I don't know. You know, with Judge Fate, show she had two bailiffs. You know, Miss Barbara. You know, that was our first bailiff, and then she left the show, and Wine took took her place. You know, yeah, I remember now. You know, hmm I should have known that. Well, I figured, honestly, y'all, I figured he was gonna leave divorce court right behind Judge Fate. I figured that crap. You know, it's a bunch of crap. You know, hmm yeah, but you know what? What I want is this. Y'all listening? If there's gonna be a new judge on divorce court after Star Jones, keep the same bailiff, please. All right. Let him stay on there for at least one season with the new judge, and then switch a bailiff. You know, I wonder what the heck is going on now. You know, something not making sense to me. Okay, I'm not complaining right now. You know, it's just that I just don't get it. To be honest with y'all, you know. Okay, and Joe been on there for 14 years, I do believe. I don't know, from 1994 to 2018. You know, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong, okay? On that part, I could be wrong, you know, because Joe stood on there for so many years, you know. I was glad he stood there that long with Judge Maybelline and Judge Lentola, okay? Mm-hmm. Yep. So, well, they say you can't please everybody, they say. All right. So I watched the new season of Divorce Court, some of it, you know. So I think I'm gonna go back downstairs and watch the rest of it to see if I like it, you know. But it's all right so far, but not much feeling it. Not because of Star Jones or whatever, you know. Got nothing to do with her, you know. But it's the production probably, you know. Hmm. Maybe Judge Star didn't want Wine as the bailiff or whatever. Who knows? Okay, so almost take us back to the old days with Judge Wapner and his bailiff Rusty Burrell. I know some of y'all probably remember Judge Wapner and Judge I mean say and Officer Rusty Burrell. But I'm probably pronouncing his name wrong. I could be pronouncing his name wrong, you know. And another thing I want to talk about with his 90th birthday, when Judge Wapner made a return to the People's Court. You know, this divorce court, not People's Court. But I'll talk about that another time. Skip that, okay? All right. So I must say, y'all. I mean, this is either outstanding or outrageous. It's half outrageous, half outstanding. I don't know. Okay, but like they say, I'm I'm not that disappointed to be honest with y'all. You know, this new guy, I got nothing against him. You know, cause I don't know him. I can't have nothing against nobody who I don't know. Okay, not at all. Okay, not at all. So before y'all start commenting, some of y'all will probably say, "Why does it matter?" You know, well, just like that time I commented on a video with celebrity Wheel of Fortune being on ABC. I was like, why wasn't it on CBS? You know, and then somebody said, why? Somebody asked me, why does it matter what channel is on? You know, well, he have an opinion, whoever that was. You know, all right. So, all right, that's all I gotta talk about though. Okay, all right. So anyway, you know, one more thing I want to say before I go. I knew for a fact that Judge Fate Jenkins wasn't gonna last so long. You know, I was expecting her to last for one season, but I'm not that surprised. It was just two seasons, but I was I knew Star. I mean, not Star. I knew Judge Fate was gonna leave a divorce court. I knew that all along. To be honest with y'all, you know, so. I have nothing against Judge Fate at all, you know. She alright though, you know. But honestly, y'all, I like Judge Lentola, Maybelline, Judge Mathis, and Judge Hatchet better. You know, no offense, y'all. No offense. I still watch those other judges too. I do. You know, Judge Jerry Shineland. Yeah, I remember him from People's Court. You know, Judge Ed Koch. May he rest in peace. You know. Yep. All right. All right, I'll talk about the other court shows another time, okay? But divorce court is takes the cake. All right, that's all I got to say. All right. So I mean, wait a minute. I was about to make a video. Will they have a new bailiff on divorce court with Judge Starr, or will they have the same bailiff? But I'm glad I ain't make that video because I figured they was gonna have a new bailiff too. You know. Oh well, what the hell? All right, that's all I got to say. All right, bye, y'all.